Today we're going to be installing a CL3G. This runs off the T-Mobile network, so anywhere that there's T-Mobile coverage, it'll get a cellular connection. If you look at the back, you'll see your power cord, your SIM card, and your on-off switch. So the first thing you'll want to do insert something small into the on-off switch and turn that to the on position. As you can see, this functions a lot like the CL3G. This is on battery backup, so the green light is flashing. When this unit has power, that green light will be solid. It's also important to know that the green light flashing could mean a couple different things. It could mean that one of the pendants or the fall sensor attached to the unit is low. It could mean that there was a power failure. This has been on battery backup. When the power comes back on and this battery, the internal battery, is still low, that light will flash until that battery recharges itself. So we'll go ahead and plug in our power cord. So you can see we'll have a solid green light. That means we do have power and we know our battery backup's on. So now something to point out here, this is our SIM card. The red light and the yellow light. So the red light, what we're waiting for is that red light to have a steady flash. That means that we have a cellular signal. If that red light goes solid, we just need to give it a moment, wait. Now if that red light's solid and you see that yellow light flash at all, we have an issue. So if the yellow light flashes once, it means that the unit is not reading the SIM card. What you would do then, you would unplug the unit, you would turn it off, push down on the SIM card, and it pops up. I'd pull the SIM card out, take my finger, wipe off that gold piece. To put the SIM card back in, it's always gold side up. The little cut corner goes in. Be careful when you're putting it in. Make sure you don't put it too low or it'll go inside the machine. So you'll just push it straight in until it clicks. Let's go ahead, plug it back in, turn it back on. So that's if the yellow light flashes once. If the yellow light flashes twice, it means you don't have a cell signal. You need to move it to an outer room with a window, change locations, or just give it a moment. So we're going to go ahead and pair two pendants. Once again, just like the CL3G, we can pair two pendants out in the field, more in-house. Press and hold the green reset for 3 beeps. You'll hear multiple beeps on the 3rd beep release. That red light will start flashing. It's in range test mode or programming mode. To delete all pendants out of the machine, because these pendants will not learn over top of each other. Press and hold the green reset for 3 more beeps. Release. Take your first pendant and the green reset. You'll hear a quick double beep. Take your fall sensor and the red emergency. Double beep. So 1 pendant to the green reset, 1 pendant to the red help button. Then to take it out of programming mode or range test mode, you're going to tap both buttons quickly and release. If you hold down too long, don't worry, it will send in a signal. Just let it go to the care center and let them know you're just testing. Once you have a flashing red light on the back, you can go ahead and test and send in a signal. Let the care center know you're just testing. And that's how you install a CL3G.